Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add a pixel selection in Photoshop. Okay, go to tool selections and now see this. Right click on your mouse. See the single column marquee tool. Okay, select single column marquee tool. Then first of all, I select this. Okay, then zoom in. Now see this. Select single column. Control Z or Control Z for duplicate. Now, now see this selected pixel selections. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.